channel. Today's video is the November Glossybox unboxing. So if you want to see what's inside my November Glossybox and how to grab your hands on one and anything you need to know about Glossybox, then please keep watching. So this is my November Glossybox. So before I get into the unboxing of this beautiful box, I just want to tell you a bit more about it. So for those of you who don't know what this is a Glossybox. They are a monthly subscription service. Everything you need to know about Glossybox will be in the description box below as well, so don't worry about that. Also, I have an affiliate link for you guys as well that gives you a direct link straight to the website. If you purchase any of the Glossyboxes or subscribe to Glossybox using my affiliate link, I just get a small commission from that link. So this box is worth £50 a month. £50 a month. This box alone is worth £50 for all the products you receive. I get this box for £13 a month. You can choose the plan you want from on Glossybox as well. They give you the option. It's not just this is how much you've got to pay for it, but you can choose your own plan that suits you. So Glossybox is a monthly subscription service that's delivered to your door every month, filled with a load of beauty products like makeup, hair care, skincare, makeup brushes, absolutely anything, and you get it in this beautiful pink box every month, and I absolutely love them. Before I quickly show you what's inside this box as well, Glossybox do have like surveys and stuff. If you fill out the surveys on your website on the page, when you log into it, you fill out all the surveys and you get Glossy credits. You can either use a Glossy credits to buy the limited edition boxes every month as well, or you can save up the entire whole year and get the advent calendar, which I have done a video on, guys, so check that out as well. Or you can save the Glossy credits, obviously do surveys, so save up your Glossy credits and spend the money on a Look Fantastic website. So that was just a quick glimpse of what Glossybox is. Everything you need to know will be in the description box anyway, but this is the beautiful this month's box and I absolutely love it. It comes in the baby pink box like this with the black writing of the Glossybox on front. So let's get to showing you what's inside. So this month I'm absolutely in love with. This is what this month's box looks like. So this is the leaflet you get every month. So this is the Makeup and Magic Glossybox. Just put a little sneak peek for you there, guys, if you saw that. When you open this leaflet, it tells you everything you need to know about the products you're just about to receive in your box. And on the back, there's just some information. You get a little sneak peek of December's box. Glossy of the month, Glossy credits. It tells you a bit more about Glossy credits on the back of here as well, and Glossy Lounge. And Glossybox do have their very own skincare range as well, which unfortunately I haven't purchased yet, but I still want to get one so I can show you guys what it is. So this is what it looks like. It comes with a beautiful black ribbon and a beautiful baby pink tissue paper. So I'm just going to undo the ribbon and open the tissue paper. This has just arrived, guys, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So without trying to tip all the products out, I'll bring it closer. That is all the beautiful products that I've received this month. I will show you guys in more depth anyway, but I love it how I get these little boxes. Also, these boxes that you receive every month, it can either be a treat for yourself or a treat for a loved one, a friend, a colleague, anyone you know that they're completely down, especially in this hard time with the COVID. Little box like this that comes every month, it will put a smile on anybody's face. Things that caught my eye was this. So this is the LA Splash Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Now I've only just looked at this and I love the colours so much, and I'm just about to show you guys. Let's hide the mirror so you guys don't get reflected. Look at them stunning colours. I'm not too sure about the black so much, but look at the other colours. They are absolutely stunning and perfect. It's absolutely beautiful packaging as well. So thank you, Glossybox, for that. The next thing I have is this. This is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Now, I've never had a ultraviolet clay mask before, so that will come in very handy. That way for you guys. It also does have a little code thing at the back as well. So I'm so excited to use this. I love anything with face masks. I love it all. I really, really do. Next thing is I have a argan from Moroccan Oil. This is a repairing deep conditioner, strengthens and restores dry damaged hair. Now, I have had these before in previous boxes. I love them so much. They make my hair so nice and soft, and they smell of the argan oil, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. I think our shampoo and conditioner that we have actually has argan oil in it, so I actually love that smell as well. Last two bits I have this. This is the Q Bella Professional Recharge and Restore Purple Moonstone Glitter Gel Mask. Now, I've had these kind of gel masks before, and they are incredible, and I mean incredible, absolutely incredible. I love them so much. I love anything glittery, glitter, anything. I love it all. But this is a lovely face mask. I did have a Q Bella Professional face mask before in one of the previous boxes. I can't remember what one exactly, but they are absolutely perfect, and I love them so much, especially if you just want a little bit of me time, or you're just chilling out on the sofa and you want a little face mask on. Just pop this on, you're good to go. And last but not least, I have is a Spectrum brush. So this is the B07 Tall Crease Blending Brush from Spectrum. I haven't had any brushes from Spectrum before, so this is my very first one. And look how it's packaged as well. It looks so lovely. It's the black brush with the Spectrum B07 gold writing on there. Then you've got the gold bit there, and then you've got the black brush bit there, which I'm absolutely in love with. Never had any Spectrum brushes before, so I absolutely love it. And the packaging is actually quite cute. I actually quite like it. It looks all like Christmassy. It looks so nice. So I absolutely love it. This is my very first Spectrum brush I've ever purchased, or not purchased, but yeah, purchased and ever used before in my whole entire life. And I will be buying loads more Spectrum brushes in the future, so I cannot wait. So these products, let's just show you guys. These 5 products here, I hope you guys can actually see. If I do it like that, that'd be even better. These 5 products here, I get these for £13 a month. They deliver to my door every month, and I love them so much. A lovely little treat to yourself as well. Just these products here, the whole entire box, the content of the box is worth £50 alone. Absolutely worth your money, and absolutely worth the dollar as well. I absolutely love Glossybox every month. I cannot wait to start opening their advent calendar at the beginning of the year as well. I'm so excited. But thank you so much to Glossybox for this box. I absolutely love it. That is going to conclude this video. So again, don't forget, everything you need to know about Glossybox will be in the description box below for you guys as well. My affiliate link is there as well, so if you click on that, if you do want to purchase a Glossybox, click on the affiliate link. Then it heads you straight to the Glossybox website, where you can purchase anything you like. You can purchase your own box. If you subscribe now, I think you get the next month's box. You get December's box. So if you subscribe now, you get the December's box. And also, I get a little small commission from Glossybox by you clicking on the affiliate link as well. Thank you to Glossybox for letting me purchase my beautiful box at the end of the month. I love it so much. But yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, please I cannot speak, and I don't know what's wrong with me. If you like this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Don't forget to click on the notification button as well next to it, so you're notified every time I upload. This has been my November Glossybox unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.